We'll make egg omelette. So I have one medium size egg, and then pinch of black pepper powder, pinch of chili powder, salt. Now we'll mix here, and this is my black pepper powder, product of Pakistan. So I have this spring onions, organic, red onions cubes, tomatoes cubes. Now we have to mix all together here. So while we are mixing this one, we have to open this stove. Now I put already oil here, enough oil for one egg. So later on I will make chapati also for our breakfast, for make paratha and chapatis also. And I will make also chapatis or tortilla sandwich or shawarma. So I will make first this egg omelette with spoon, all this onions, tomato, onions, red. I don't want it. I need to boil. Yan, binuhos ko na yung one egg with spring onions, cubes of tomatoes, and red onions. So, ayan, binuhos ko. Now, we have to change side. Change side natin. Still not cooked. Ayan, change side na natin. No problem, we have to arrange natin para mabuo uli. It's okay. Ito na yan. First, I will make paratha, 2 for Fahad, 1 for my husband. And Fatma, she will make by herself paratha for her because she adds something sugar. And the rest, I will make chapati for my shawarma or tortillas omelette. So this is already the eggs. Ayan, daming oil. Oh, and then I will put also this one fillings. Then I will add mayonnaise and ketchup. So we'll put oil here for paratha. There is oil, added oil here. For chapati, no need oil. Ayan. Where is that ipit? Ayan. Now we'll put oil here for paratha. Then we have to roll. This is my everyday routine, making paratha and chapatis. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Because this is their main, ito bali yung pinaka-rice nila. Itong chapati. But for me, every day also I cook rice for me. Because I cannot eat chapati. I can eat just only one chapati like that. For morning, I'm not eating this paratha because of my gastric ulcer. So I avoid eating it. Ito lahat yung aking ginawa na chapatis, 7 chapatis. Ayan. Tapos 3 parathas. So ito yung aking egg omelette, tomatoes, slices of tomatoes. Ito yung aking pambalot. Asan na ba yung aking mayonnaise at saka ketchup? Ano ko? Yung aking ketchup at saka mayonnaise. So, saan na yung aking mayonnaise? Saka ketchup. Ito yung ketchup. Ito yung mayonnaise. So, first we'll put chapati here or flatbread, kubos, roti, or tortilla. One only I use. So, we'll put now all this one. Egg omelette. And then, we put some onions. This is enough. And tomatoes. Yan. And then, we put mayonnaise. Wow, sarap ng aking sandwich. Tortilla sandwich or shawarma. Ayan. Walang cucumber, yung pipino. But it's okay, this is enough. Now we have to roll it. Ayan, ang aking ayan diba? Tapos ibalot natin sa baking paper. Wow, ang aking sandwich. So if you will eat this one, then you will be full. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan natin. My homemade egg omelette tortilla shawarma. Yan ang aking homemade. Let's eat everyone. I put mayonnaise, ketchup, slices of tomatoes, and onion ring. Ayan. Ayan, kain tayo ng aking shawarma. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sarap.